Hello everyone, welcome to Learn C# Basics by Building Your Own Bot. My name is Tom Liao. I'm the tutor of this course. The goal of this course is to help you build up C# foundations by building a chatbot-like application from scratch. Even though I'm not talking about AI, but we're going to create something similar and interesting enough to maintain your learning interest. We will start with learning the program structure of C# and then develop a simple program roadmap of creating a service chatbot. First, we create its core function by developing a console application, then encapsulate the core function into a cross-platform DLL library. After that, we created a WinPhone user interface for it. Then we learn how to read and write files by creating a config function to the application. Furthermore, we will build a calculator as well as a scheduler in order to learn arithmetic methods and database access, respectively. At the end of all this, you will pack your application into an installer to distribute it to other users. This course is designed for whoever wants to learn C#. But if you are like me who switched careers from accounting to programming 20 years ago, then this is definitely the right course for you. Sounds interesting? Enroll in this course now, then you'll get all this today.